Welcome guys to another video on this series of Raspberry Pi Ultimate Starter Kit. Now it's gonna be lesson number 6, floating LED. We're gonna use the Raspberry Pi B Plus, the breadboard, 7 LEDs, jumper cables, and a few resistors to do this project or lesson. We got 7 resistance, different colors LED, and jump cables. We're gonna connect all these resistance to the line power, and then we're gonna do the connection. We're gonna start first with the LED. We're gonna press a little hard and then connect these LED. We're gonna pull different colors and then we're gonna repeat the same color. That's gonna make much better view. And after the coding and style, we're gonna do the resistance. We're gonna do this section. We're gonna off the power line and then one we're gonna off the line. Connect every LED with the resistance, and then we're gonna do a jump cable on the power line, which is in the top. The first line is for ground, and the second line is for power. We're gonna do a little faster because it takes a while to do this. We need to connect everything right in the same spot to avoid burning or not function on the coding section. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do red, yellow, and green first. It's a little hard because the breadboard is brand new, and after that, this is the result doing before connection the jumper cables to the Raspberry Pi. Now we're gonna do the jumper cables section to the Raspberry pins. We're gonna do this a little faster, so it takes a little time to put in different pins numbers on the Raspberry Pi. And then after that, we're gonna do different colors, and then it's gonna go. It depends on the time we're gonna do in the coding section. Turn off or turn on the lights. And we're almost done putting this section. We're gonna need a little more jump cables to connect the power and where the resistance will be. And that's the final part of building the lesson. Now we're gonna do the hardest and simple part, not the hardest one. When you're learning Python, we're gonna do the coding line. The first few pages it was only between 40 lines, but now it's gonna be more because we're putting more stuff on the breadboard, and we need to put more command lines on these sections. And when this is done, we're gonna go to the computer. Now we're gonna do Nano, and then we're gonna file that is Python. We're gonna use LED, printing, and we're gonna go really faster. We're using for the CPU and the things. And then we're gonna name all the things we connect in the Raspberry Pi, and then the setup. As usually we do this, we're gonna run the pins, and then we're gonna pull the pins. Before it was only two pins. We don't have to do the name, but now we got different more than 2 pins. Now it's gonna have this. Put it on a section, and then we're gonna do the loop that is gonna help blinking each light on different times. So it's gonna off, and then it's gonna move to the other one, but it's gonna be in seconds. Now we're gonna put in 5, then we're gonna change it to 1, and then it's gonna be less than 1. It's gonna be really fast. That you think is gonna, all the lights is gonna on, but no, technically it's off. By the way, it's time, the 10 seconds are faster. We're gonna off in less than milliseconds. So we're gonna be time, and then we're gonna run the program. After that, check any errors. When I was doing the coding, we got little issues, but now we're gonna run the program and then see. We're gonna run the program right now. Sudo python name of the file, then y py, and then we're gonna go to the Raspberry, see if it works. And now we go to the section of the Raspberry Pi. Okay, let's go. It's gonna be less than 5 seconds. You see, it was on off and move to the next pin. Next line. And then we're gonna change it to a faster, less time. That's slow, more time. It means on off on. We put like 1 second, but now we're gonna put it less than 0.1. It was the line. Here's a slow section, and then we're gonna do the faster part. This is the 0.01 millisecond, which you think every light is on, but not. Based on the running program is off and on. So that's all for this lesson number 6, floating link in the OAT. Thank you. Any question you guys, you can comment below, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.